1. Regular veterinary care, including checkups, vaccinations, parasite prevention, and dental care, is essential for your dog's health. 2. Feed your dog a balanced diet based on their age, size, breed, and any specific dietary needs or health conditions they have. 3. Provide regular exercise and mental stimulation to keep your dog physically and mentally fit. 4. Socialize your dog early on with other dogs, people, and various environments to prevent behavior problems. 5. Basic obedience training is crucial for a well-behaved and safe dog. Consider professional help if needed. 6. Take preventive measures such as vaccinations, flea and tick prevention, and heartworm prevention. 7. Regularly groom your dog to maintain their coat and overall cleanliness. 8. Keep your dog's living area clean and provide a comfortable and safe environment. 9. Ensure your dog has access to fresh water at all times. 10. Be aware of potential toxic substances in your home and yard that can harm your dog. 11. Watch for signs of illness or injury and seek veterinary attention promptly. 12. Show your dog love, care, and attention to foster a strong bond and emotional well-being. Remember, this is a condensed version, and each point could be expanded upon. Consulting your veterinarian for personalized advice is always recommended.